Received this from a company called AngelHalo, and it is Smart Outdoor Neon Rope Light. Now, we're going to get into this box in a second, but from the looks of it, it looks like you can design your own wall art, and that's kind of cool because you can, I guess the sky's the limit, right? So let's look at the box here. Okay, it has a model number. The length is 32 feet. You could sync your music to this app that you're going to download. I think it's the Lamari app. And then you can play music as the lights will go to the beat. Yeah, you download the app like I just talked about. You put it on a timer, group control, so maybe other people can control it too. That's kind of neat. Here's your app dimming, optional modes, 16 million colors. Now that's a lot of colors that you'll never see the end of. Voice control, so you can pair it with your Alexa or your Google. And like I said, same thing with your iPhone too, or your Android. You could download an app and control it all from that. Pretty neat. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Wow, look at that. It's really nicely put together. Heavy duty. Even the straps here to keep it all in place, they're actually good quality, and they're Velcros, it looks like, so you can actually reuse them, which is great. Very nice packaged. So you have your brains to it right here. See the brains, the button there. So here we go. This is for protection. You pull that off. You'll screw this into that. Slide it in. See that? Here's your waterproof cover. Keep all moisture out. See? Pull this off. We're gonna plug it in right now, just to look at it. But before we do that, let's continue in the box. So you have your remote, you can control it, and then you'll have your Alexa, you have your Google, you'll have your phone with the app. That's good. And then here's a bunch of hardware. We have screws and hardware. So pretty much you have your fasteners for, you're gonna put it on your house or maybe a fence or something. And then if you're gonna put it on the ground and run like a pathway light or something, you have these stakes that go in and they'll sit right there too. So we'll mess with both these and install it and see what fits this house this year. Once I download the app, we can mess around with all these features that come with the lights. Let's plug it in now, shall we? As you can see, it's in pairing mode, but we're not going to pair it until we get it all done. Let's go outside and check it out. So I know what I'm going to do with these neon rope lights. Voila! I built this tree probably 3 years ago, and it's been through its better days for sure. I just reconstructed it, put it back together. I ripped off all the old lights because we're gonna put these bad boys on it. So I am losing light too, so I'm gonna go ahead and really focus on this. And when I get it all together, then I will show you guys the final product. Maybe right now I'll just show you how I'm gonna start it, and from there, then you'll see the completed version. So on this tree here, the power is going to be at the bottom, and I have a little stake here, which pay no attention to how I'm going to mount this. I'll probably put it against a tree, because like I said, this thing's seen its better days. Looks like it's been through a war or two. That's what you get for using old pallets behind an industrial building that were trash. I could have just went to Home Depot and bought solid wood, built this thing, protected it with stain or painting it and it'd be fine. But instead I was like, oh, I'll make a little fun project and I'll go get these free pallets that are all rotted and falling apart with rusty nails and build a massive 12-foot Christmas tree. Hey, looks good though. So basically I'm going to start here, and they give you these little so there's different ways you can do it. If you're going to put it on the ground through a planter, they have these little stakes that you can design your own thing, or if you want to put it on a wood fence or a wood Christmas tree in this case, yeah, you have these little, and basically you're going to screw a little small little screw, which I got it right here. They do give you wall anchors just in case you're going to put it into drywall and put it on your house or something. I'm not doing that. I'm using regular real wood. So I'm going to put this little screw in it, and then you're able just to snap these pieces so it'll be mounted how I want it, and then you snap it in like that, and then that's how it's going to stay in place. So you can make your whole like 90 degrees or S's, or maybe make my initials or something. I don't know. I'm super excited. This is an excited little project. Like I said, I'm losing sun, so I'm going to shut up. I'm going to go to town. Okay, as you can see, I started it. There's the little caps there. There. So long story short, I'm just kind of zigzagging it here. I'll add my other lights to it, and I think it'll become beautiful work of art. So every household's different. Every idea you have is different, and it may work, it may not. In this case, what I thought it's not going to work, but then I just made up a different design and it's going to work just fine. Well, there it is right now. You can control it, like I said, with Google, Alexa, a remote that they provide, and you put two AAA batteries in it, and also your phone, whether it's a iPhone or another phone. All those features there, I'm going to click some of them right now. Let's go with that. So this is the Lamari app, and it has all kinds of features you can choose from. I mean, there's multiple. I mean, look at this. Dream of Sea. Ooh, that's kind of fun. How fun is this? Color marbles. Ooh, look at that. And then if you come here to play, you can play music to the beat. We go here, plan, countdown, timing. You could do a timer to it. Let's go back. If you want to just do white light here. There you go. If I want really white light. There you go. Can I change this? I don't know. Colored card combination. Okay. Yeah, so here's the Lamari app. And as you can tell, I've done actually a couple of Lamari products on here, more than I thought. But they're all great products. They're still kicking, still loving them. And yeah, here's another product I gotta add to my Christmas decor. Well, I'm not an artist, but even so, it looks great. And I'm sure you guys have a lot of ideas of something you could possibly do. So why don't you go click the link in the description. By doing that, you'll get a discount, and then you can get yourself one. And I hope to see your video on YouTube or somewhere else where I inspired you. Not too sure if I helped out, but I hope I did. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.